For today's topic, I'm going to explain about the proper tongue position, an unusual health technique that claims to change the shape of your jawline without surgery has snowballed in popularity online. MEWING is a technique that promises to help gain full genetic potential in your facial features by moving the position of the tongue and teeth. Ito po yung sinasabing tamang posisyon ng ating dila sa loob ng ating bibig. Ito raw ay nakakapagdagdag ng ating cheekbone kapag maayos ang ating dila sa loob ng ating bibig. Additionally, bad tongue posture can change someone's appearance and make the face take on a longer, flatter shape or cause the chin or forehead to jut forward. Does tongue position affect jawline? Yes, because it's narrowing the palate that comes from improper tongue posture can reduce the amount of support for your jaw and cheekbones. As a result, your chin and cheekbones may become less prominent over time. MEWING is supposed to work by making your jawline more defined, which can help shape your face and perhaps make it look thinner. Kapag nasa tamang posisyon ng ating dila, magkakaroon ng facial contour sa ating mga mukha. Meaning, magdadagdag ang ating cheekbones, parang hindi na kailangan pang magpa-surgery. Ito po ay mga sabi-sabi sa social media, pero matagal ko na itong pinractice at nakita ko naman na may result ito sa akin. So, pwede natin itong idagdag sa ating face yoga, yung ating tongue proper positioning. Kung ito pong aking testimony ay nagkaroon ng magandang idea para sa inyo, sana po pakihit yung subscribe button para ma-update ko po kayo sa susunod ko pang mga videos. Bye!